At least about 9 people are said to be dead, while 17 others were swept away after flash floods triggered by pre-monsoon rains have wreaked havoc along the Swat River in Pakistan's Khyber-Pakhtunkhwa Province. Now, these are some very dramatic moments from the moment when this 17 members of a family were swept away in these flash floods. A group of about 12 tourists could be seen stranded on an elevated area in the river, desperately calling for help as floodwaters continue to rise around them. So far, 58 are reported to have been rescued from the total number of people who have been washed away in these flash floods. About 80 rescue workers and locals are present on the ground. They're searching for survivors. Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has expressed his condolences to the bereaved families. The Provincial Disaster Management Authority has issued an alert warning people of high flood levels and has asked people to take precautions.